Hello Enjin coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Enjin coin. So my friends, what's the current price of Enjin coin? What's the price in the Enjin coin? In this video I will show you, my friends, but before starting this interesting video I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now you know what, my friends, a lot of people ask me question about Enjin coin. They ask me question that what should we do in this critical situation, buy, sell or hold Enjin coin, my friends. So my friends, in this video I will answer this question. Keep watch and please subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. Now at this time the latest price of the Enjin coin is 1.46 USD dollar. 1.46 USD dollar is the latest price of the Enjin coin. On the other side, my friends, you can see here, if we look the price change of the Enjin coin, so the price change is going good. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the price change occurring in the Enjin coin is going positive. So first of all, I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occurring in the Enjin coin, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Enjin coin. My friends, now in the last hour, I think that the falling time of the Enjin coin starts now. That is the last 60 minutes price update here. Now in the last 60 minutes, the price of Enjin coin is going down. So my friends, I hope that this was for short term, and I hope in the next hour the price of Enjin coin again start pumping, my friends. The pricing is positive 0.12% in the last 60 minutes, my friends. So my friends, my personal recommendation for all of my viewers, my subscribers, is that please hold, my friends. I know at this time you're in the profit, but if you want high amount of profit, so please hold, don't decide to sell, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.